If your skin is dry, irritated, and just not bouncing back like it used to, then you need to find Dieux's Instant Angel. Here's my use bottles. Here's what I'm currently using. It might just be the barrier recovery moisturizer you've been waiting for. It's not just another thick cream. It's a clinically backed, lipid-rich formula. It's designed to repair your skin barrier and support long-term resilience. Let's break down the ingredients and what the testing has shown for it. And by the way, they've tested on all skin types, Fitzpatrick 1 through 5. Formula first. It's got a 4% phytosterol and a fatty acid complex. They actually mimic your skin's own natural lipid. So it's going to provide great barrier support. They fill in the gaps between your skin cells. They prevent moisture loss. They're going to reduce reactivity and help strengthen it. It's great if you've got any barrier damage from retinoids or from acid use, etc. It's also got a 3% moisture complex, and that means it's got glycerin, it's got sodium PCA, it's got urea, among other things. Now, this moisture complex, all of these are humectants that are going to pull in water and they're going to hold it deep in the skin. That's going to help plump it up. The urea is going to soften the texture as well. The sodium PCA, that's going to provide you light hydration without it feeling like it's greasy. And it's also, by the way, best applied to damp skin. Dieux actually says that on the box itself. It's got a 2% seed oil that reduces water loss, and reducing transepidermal water loss is key as we age. In addition to that, it's got a 2% barrier repair complex. Like, it just keeps going. Hexapeptide 12 and ceramide NG. The hexapeptide is going to signal collagen support, and the ceramide NG is going to help rebuild your lipid matrix. So together, they're going to strengthen the barrier. So again, if you've got any type of reactivity, inflammation, barrier broken issues, etc., this is going to be a good friend. It's also got a particular pro-collagen amino acid that is going to reduce wrinkle depth, clinically proven, by the way, and it's going to improve elasticity. So if you're on that anti-aging journey, you're going to get that support without any retinoid irritation. Again, good friend. Now let's talk about the clinical testing. I think Dieux is one of those standout companies. They ran third-party tests on diverse skin tones. Not everybody does that. So starting from Fitzpatrick 1 all the way through Fitzpatrick 6. 100% of participants saw improvement in moisture. 90% plus actually noticed fine line softening and smoother texture in 6 to 8 weeks. So without stinging, without irritation, just real results from an absolutely 5-star formula. You get all of this for all skin types. So repairs barrier, reduces tool, hydrates and strengthens, clinically proven. I mean, what's not to love, especially when it works for all skin tones. So my verdict, absolutely in. If you want to see how this compares to any other moisturizer, drop a comment and I'll be happy to do that comparison. If you are oily skinned and don't want something rich, then Dieux also has Instant Angel. Let's say it's a cousin to this. It's a gel-based moisturizer, not as rich as this. I can also review that next. But if you're on an anti-aging journey, if you're dry skin, even if you're combination skin, if you've got any barrier issues, highly recommend Dieux's Instant Angel. Just absolutely in love.